Imagine waking up with no memory. Your past, your experiences, your very identity, gone. Now imagine being told you are a Navy SEAL. Picture the confidence that would surge through you, the sense of purpose that would guide your actions. You would carry yourself differently. You would approach challenges with a resilience born from an unwavering belief in your abilities. Now consider the opposite scenario. What if, upon waking with no memory, you were told you were a piano instructor? The image you would project, the way you would interact with the world, would undoubtedly shift. This thought experiment highlights a profound truth. Our beliefs about ourselves shape our reality. The power of belief is not limited to hypothetical situations. It plays out in our lives every single day. When we believe we are capable, we are more likely to take risks, to persevere through setbacks, and ultimately to achieve our goals. Conversely, when we doubt ourselves, we limit our potential, holding ourselves back from what we could truly become. This is not to say that simply believing something makes it true. Rather, it is about understanding the profound impact our beliefs have on our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately our lives. By consciously choosing empowering beliefs, we can unlock our potential and create the future we desire. Success leaves clues. Across fields and endeavors, high achievers share a common thread. Their beliefs are aligned with their goals. This alignment is not accidental, it is intentional. It is the result of conscious effort to cultivate a belief system that supports and propels them towards their desired outcomes. Imagine an aspiring entrepreneur who dreams of building a successful business. Now imagine that same entrepreneur harboring deep-seated beliefs about the risks of entrepreneurship, the high likelihood of failure, or their own perceived lack of business acumen. The misalignment between their goal and their beliefs creates an internal conflict, a constant uphill battle. To unlock our potential, we must bridge the gap between our aspirations and our beliefs. This requires honesty and introspection. We must identify and challenge limiting beliefs that no longer serve us. What negative self-talk do we need to silence? What empowering truths do we need to embrace? Aligning our beliefs with our goals is not a one-time event, it is an ongoing process. As we grow and evolve, so too must our beliefs. By regularly assessing and refining our belief system, we create a solid foundation for success, ensuring that our inner compass is always pointing us in the right direction. When you truly see yourself as exceptional, a remarkable transformation occurs. Confidence becomes your natural state. You carry yourself with an air of quiet certainty, not arrogance, but a deep-seated belief in your own abilities. Authenticity shines through in everything you do. You are no longer trying to be someone you're not, but rather you embrace your unique strengths and talents. This genuine sense of self allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, building trust and rapport with ease. Your natural energy becomes contagious. When you believe in yourself, it shows. Your enthusiasm is palpable, your passion is infectious, and your positive outlook inspires those around you. This genuine energy is magnetic, drawing people to you and creating opportunities for collaboration and growth. Believing in your own exceptionalism is not about egotism, it is about recognizing your inherent worth and potential. It is about giving yourself permission to shine, to embrace your uniqueness, and to step into the fullness of who you are meant to be. When you do, you unlock a level of confidence, authenticity, and energy that transforms not only your own life but also the lives of those you touch. Think of your mind as a well-wired circuit. When the circuit is clear, with a defined purpose and direction, energy flows effortlessly, powering you towards your goals. However, when the circuit is cluttered with doubt, confusion, or lack of direction, the flow of energy becomes disrupted, hindering your progress. Clarity is essential for activating your mind's full potential. It's about knowing what you want, why you want it, and how you plan to achieve it. This clarity provides a roadmap for your journey, allowing you to focus your energy and efforts on the actions that will move you closer to your desired outcomes. Purpose fuels your drive and determination. When you have a strong sense of purpose, your goals become more than just items on a checklist. They become meaningful pursuits that ignite your passion and give you a reason to push through challenges. The combination of clarity and purpose creates a powerful synergy within your mind. It aligns your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions, creating momentum and propelling you forward on your path to achievement. By cultivating clarity and connecting with your purpose, you optimize your mind's circuitry, ensuring that your energy is directed towards creating the life you envision.